Welcome back as we explore these Sonicism self-adhesive acoustic wall panels for your home and professional office. You can easily mount these tiles by simply peeling off the back liner and sticking them directly today. Each high-density panel uses safe polyester fiber that is soft to the touch and also very durable. The felt finish and unique patterns allow you to create modern designs in any creative living space. These tiles effectively reduce background noise and echoes while improving the overall sound quality of your entire room. This 20-pack covers 20 square feet and is very easy to cut for a perfect custom fit. Transform your environment into a beautiful and quiet sanctuary with these professional sound-absorbing wall panels right now. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.